Hi guys, today I will explain how to do a chroma key that will remove the green screen from your video. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Capcut application. As you can see, I already opened the application. Now, create a new project, or, if you have your previous project, in which you want to remove the green screen, then simply open that project, like I will open my previous project. Because I want to remove the green screen in this project, so I am opening it. As you can see, my project has been open. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to upload the background. So let me search it. And I will choose the background from Capcut. So I am clicking on the option Stockmate. I think this background is good. So I will click on it and paste it on the timeline of Capcut. Now the next thing I will do is I will apply the effect on this video. Because with blur effect, the main focus will be on green screen, not on background. So I am clicking on the option effect, and here I will search for blur. Here is the desired effect. Click on it and paste it on the video. Now, the black effect has been added. Now adjust the intensity of this by swiping this line from right to left. I will set it on 20. The next thing I need to do is I need to upload my green screen video. As you can see, if I click on the option import, here is my green screen video, which I want to use, but if you have not import, then import it. Now tap it and take it and paste it on the top of your video. The first thing you have to do is you need to adjust the duration of both. Means the green screen video length is larger than my background video, so I will adjust it according to my background. Now it has been adjusted. The next thing is click on green screen video. Then take a look on the right top. You will see a lot of different options. From these, you have to select the option video. Next to you have to click on the option remove background. And then on the second number you can see the option of chroma key. Just click on it. And here tap on this option color picker and click here. Now you can see the green screen has been removed. But if you take a look here, you will the green color on the girl. Now for removing it, adjust the intensity by yourself until the whole green screen removed. Now let me play the video and have a look of it. And as you can see, using chroma, I removed the green screen, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.